top of road straight. SMVCC 805 is the go state. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than the BIG, BAD13C. I got love for the place that raised me, even though times get a little crazy. So I gotta give love back, either gangbang, slang, or pull a motherfucking jack. It's all good, cause I'm dropping nice cars. Pretty soon 25 to life, spit behind bars. I'm ruthless lifestyle, cause I'm a son of a gun. I'm only 19, but will I live to see 21? I love a motherfucker, so you better step back. Try to pull a jack, I'll feed you on for the snack.
Yeah, there's a parking spot right here. Hey, what's up, everybody? We out here at Red Rock Harley Davidson. Everybody's starting to get ready to pull up. Man, Andrew set the alarm off. Yeah, that's crazy. Anyways, everything's getting set up right now. We got a food truck out here. A lot of good things going on. People coming through. So I'm gonna let the alarm die out real quick on this van over here that the Harley set off. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, we're about to go out here and check out some of these bikes. It's a nice one there. It's like a couple Ultra Glides. It's the entrance over here. A lot of them starting to have, man, whatever they got going on smell hella good. Woo, what is that? Papa Carrillos. Anybody ever had that out here in Las Vegas? Drop a comment below. Let's go check out all the bikes that's up here. They got the riding class over there. Look at these nice bikes, man. Good looking bikes. Look at this. Ooh, nice purple. That purple hitting it all right. Look at that one. That one's nice. I love the T-bars on bikes, man. They just look good. Let's go see what else they got over here. A couple of road glides, street glides. Nice one here, ultra limited, looking sweet. Yo, what is that? That's crazy. That looks nice. A Victory. Damn, big ass wheels. Look at the size of those wheels. Beefy over there. Man, that black just hits right, man. When it's all black now, it just hits right. These look good. Which one's y'all favorite? Comment down below. Here's my baby. You know who this one is. Yeah, what's up, Jackie Brown? Oh yeah, by the way, that's her name, Jackie Brown.
plan on getting it out here when I leave today, if there's any left. We are doing demo rides. We have our motor coaches on hand to take you out on the demo. Anything you want to ride, new, used, what have you. And of course, our freight specialists are flying around all over the place. If you have any questions, make sure you stop one of them. See if we can make one of these beautiful bikes yours today.
There's a pretty good size of popple on it.
So Dale, let me ask you, man, being the owner of a Iron 83, man, how do you feel sitting on a Street Glide? As far as size different, weight, overall, how you feel the difference?
Definitely makes a difference.
Does it make a
sure.
difference?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What's the biggest difference to you?
The seating's fitting a lot more better, I would say. I mean, the weight differential from it compared to 883 is like, oof, a little bit more heavier, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, I mean, for the comfort wise, seeing how it is, I mean, I would definitely, I see recommendation on this for sure.
Yeah, this is a Street Glide special. I mean, these get up and go. 114, 117, not major different, but you know, it's a bit of a difference. I like the fenders on this is a little bit bigger than the ST.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, but overall looks good. You look good on it, man. You never know, right?
That's eventually the plan, man. I'll go from straight 883 to Street Glide.
There you go, man. There you go, man. And Dil, you have a YouTube channel yet?
No, not yet, man.
Okay.
But so far, we'll see how it goes. Maybe in the process.
Yeah, we're getting the process. We'll link the channel below so y'all can check out my guy here, man. We're gonna be doing a lot of trips together. We've been talking about Zion heading out there to the Harley dealership out there and doing the ride. Oh yeah, for sure, man.
That'd be a gorgeous trip.
Yep. So be excited to bring that to y'all. But I think the event is kind of wrapping down a little bit here. Man, this Road Glide hitting it all right here, or Road King, my bad. CVO looking sweet too, man. That gray color always hitting it off right.
No, these are pretty good. I mean, absolutely.
Man, it is popping out here today. Let's go check out some of these bikes and see what's going. Everybody rolling up. Man, what a great day for an event out here in Las Vegas. Hope everybody's having a good day. And like I said, if you haven't yet, man, make sure you like, subscribe, share this channel. I appreciate everybody's support. We're gonna bring y'all a lot of motorcycle media out here from Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's check these out here. Ooh, man. Look at the rhinestones on that one, nice. This blue bike looks very cool. Got a nice, what's that, a Dyna? Can't tell from this angle. Yeah, it is. Man, beautiful bikes, geesh. I love that sissy bar. Looks nice. Very cool. Bike, got that Mayan look to it. That's tight, very clean. Then you got Papa Carrillo's out here hitting it off. Looks like there's some Mexican food in there, tacos and such. Man, you can't go wrong with tacos, man. Got some bikes coming in, everybody coming out today. That's a nice one. Look at that Dyna. Woo! Look at these bad boys over here, man. Beautiful bikes. Another one looks like a Dyna lowrider. I could be wrong. Oh my goodness, what happened to this one? let's go see what they got going on over here. Man, these are nice bikes. That color is tight. That peach color looks crazy. Man. Bike sounded nice, bro. Sounded nice, man. Thank you. Man, I'm in heaven right now, bro. Woo-wee. Got the gold wing. Gold wings are nice too. That bad boy right there, Harley Davidson, Tri-Glide. Man, it's gotta be nice not to be able to not need the balance. So comment below which one y'all like the most, man. For me, I love the Road King headlights. They just look right. It's good. Wow, these colors all hitting off. I like that blue, bro. Nice bike, man. Yeah. Nice. Memphis shade fairing. Love that. Love that. Popping off nice, man. Look at that. Got the man. San Diego custom seat. Floorboard look crazy. Clean. Lowrider ST. The nice Saddleman. Man, that thing sounds beefy. Geesh. Sound like a hog for real. Yeah, come back over here, brother. Yeah. Couple lowriders coming in. Yeah, that looks nice. As I cruise down the overpass, and the stump filling in my cup to the rim. All the while I've been in jail from the bud, so I grin. I get lost, feel I've been crossed. She will be my salvation. When I get lost, feel I've been crossed. She will be my salvation. Now let me introduce the G's, the LOCs. Let me get my sip on as I'm gliding through the breeze. Keep on mashing as the tracks keep dropping. Ain't no stopping when I'm up and hopping. Jump the ride to the side, causing havoc with my homies. Blowing indo smoke, dipping brew to the oldies every day of my life.